Okay, today's video is all about my new camera that's just arrived, so I'm going to be unboxing this. It's the Canon 90D. I previously had the Canon 200D. I was really happy with the camera, but as I got to use it more, there were certain features that I wanted to have for other types of photography that I was doing. Both for sports, sort of action, and landscapes, that sort of thing. So I decided a while back to sell my old camera and go for the Canon 90D, which was released, I think it was released in August 2019, so it's fairly new to the market. I looked at the specifications for this camera, and it kind of ticked all the boxes for me with its both photography capabilities and its video capabilities. And there's a site which I'll put a link to below for a comparison site, a camera comparison site, and it is called apotellect.com. As I say, I'll drop a link below, but basically you can put different types of cameras and compare whatever camera you're thinking about buying against another camera and look at the comparison charts and see how they compare against each other. But without further ado, we'll go to the unpackaging of my new toy. So let's open the box and we'll have a look inside. It's taken a while for this to come. Actually, it's taken about 2 weeks for this to be delivered. I missed the delivery man yesterday because we weren't around, so it was actually delivered to the house yesterday, but I missed that. Okay, let's get the camera out of the box if we can. Packaging seems to be good. I think we can discard that. Okay, so there it is, the Canon 90D. That's the unit. This is the body only. One of the decisions that made me buy this camera was I've already got lenses. Some of the lenses, I've got 2 Tamron lenses. And I've got 3 Canon lenses. All the Canon lenses I have are EFS lenses, so they won't fit full frame model cameras. They'll only fit APC cameras. So the thing is, or APS-C I should say, so I didn't want to buy new lenses because obviously lenses are quite expensive as well. So the usual things, there's the manual for the camera, they're all pretty good. Battery, the charger unit, the plug adapter for the charger. You get a Canon 90D strap, so there's a carry strap with it, although I don't really use those very much. And then the body itself, so I'll put this to one side, put that there. So here's the actual body of the camera. It's much bigger than the camera I had previously, so it's a lot bigger than the 200D. Basically, I wanted to stay with Canon because I was happy with the quality of the previous camera I had. There were some additional features that, as I said, I wanted in a camera. One of them, because of doing photography outdoors, was having a weather sealed body, and that was really important. And it was something I didn't consider with my original cameras, because most of the shooting I was doing was either indoors in kind of a studio environment, but then when I started to do landscapes and that sort of thing, it was apparent that you needed something that was a little bit more protected against the elements. But yeah, all the standard sort of features. As I say, it's very, very similar to my other Canon camera, which is the other thing I liked, because the good thing about these is their ease of use. The menu for the controls on the camera is absolutely superb, and the controls and the menu layout on this camera are identical, more or less, with my previous camera, the 200D. As I say, the reason that I've purchased this is basically because it's got a lot more features than the sort of basic model. The 200D is kind of an entry-level camera, and this is obviously a bit more upmarket than that. It's got a few features, more control buttons, which I'll need to get used to, and it's got a flip screen, which is really good. I really like the flip screen, whether you're taking still photos or doing videos. It's great that you've got a screen that sort of flips out, that you can turn to any angle, so that you can see what it is that you're either taking pictures or videos of. And the fact that it flips around, it's great for doing sort of vlogging and that sort of thing. So I'm really looking forward to getting to use this. Obviously it comes with the battery and the charger unit. I did purchase, prior to ordering the camera, I did order some spare batteries, because it's always pays to have some spares. So I actually got some spare batteries, and these were off eBay. And this was from a company called Fast Power Direct on eBay. It's 2 spare batteries, comes with a charger unit, and the connecting cable. It was $23.99, and compared to the price of the Canon batteries, it's an absolute bargain, because these are generally they cost about £60 each for Canon batteries, and I've used replacement batteries on my previous Canon camera, unbranded batteries, and they're absolutely fine. So I've got no problems with using aftermarket batteries. But so yeah, as I say, one of the main things about buying this camera was that I wanted to use my existing lenses. So I didn't want to be in a position where I'd got to buy new lenses for the camera. And there we go, it fits straight on. And if you're into landscape photography and you're looking for lenses for your Canon cameras, I can highly recommend this is the Tamron 10-24 f3.5 lens, and it's absolutely superb. I can't fault it. The quality of the unit is absolutely brilliant. So so there we are. That's the Canon 90D. I'm looking forward to using it, and perhaps I'll make a video at some stage after I've had a chance to use the product. But if you have any questions, drop them below and I'll try and answer them. Okay, thanks.